Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well today. It's Lainey with Roadmap To App, where we help entrepreneurs and small businesses affordably develop successful mobile apps. So today, I am going to be discussing the top 3 action items that I leave almost every one of my free consultations with, okay? Because as you know, at roadmap2app.com, we offer free 30-minute consultations to anyone who has what they believe is a good idea for a mobile app. Now, really what I'm trying to do in this 30 minutes is understand where you are in the app development process. Do you just have a good idea in your head, but you haven't really gone any further than that, which by the way is fine? Or have you taken the time to think about your design, put pen to paper, create a flow chart of each of your slides and so on, and you're kind of more ready for the app development quote? Now, I'll tell you, 90% of the calls I take, all they have is a good idea and they haven't really taken any further steps. And like I said, that's fine, but in order to get closer and closer to that app development quote, there are 3 things that you have to do, okay? So once you have a good idea for a mobile app, Lainey, what do I do next? I have this idea, where do I even begin? So let me help you out. I'm gonna go ahead, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna create a video for this. I say this so many times every week. I'm gonna create a video for my clients to go back and reference to make sure that all 3 of these are done before we speak again, okay? Number 1, so simple, guys. Takes a whopping 10 minutes. I want you to Google search your idea. And what we're doing here is making sure that the idea doesn't already exist. And it sounds so common sense, but I understand you're just excited you have a really good idea. You have not taken the time to make sure that it's not so good that someone already did it, right? So guys, go to Google search bar, either on your computer or on your phone, and act like you are a user searching for your app idea. So in my case with the crawfish app, when we came up with that idea, we went to Google first thing and said, let's make sure this doesn't already exist before we waste any more time. And we Google searched crawfish app or app for crawfish prices, crawfish pricing app, whatever we could to get a result to pop up that would show us that a mobile app for crawfish already exists. And of course, there wasn't a good app out there that existed, hence the reason why we moved forward. But there's one other thing you have to do in terms of searching for your idea. I want you to go to the App Store on your phone, okay? Open up the App Store, and I want you to do the same search. Go to the App Store, there's a search bar at the top of your App Store, and again, act like you're a user searching for your app, okay? Now, once you realize that your app idea is in fact either brand new, congratulations, that's amazing, or maybe you do find something similar, but it doesn't do exactly what yours is going to do, and yours is better because of XYZ, that's a fine result too. We just have to make sure the exact idea doesn't already exist in these 2 steps. The 3rd item here, this is like the core principle, the foundation of everything that we teach here at Roadmap. You must do number 3. Ready? I want you to find an app that has similar, doesn't have to be exact, similar functionality. I don't even know if y'all can see this with my big head in front of the lovely whiteboard. Find an app that has similar functionality. So again, let me give you an example to clarify what I'm looking for here. We knew the premise of our app. What we wanted our app to do was show users the lowest priced crawfish in their area, okay? So while there was no crawfish type app out there, what we did find was an app that wasn't so big back then, but today in 2022, it's huge. It's completely blown up, especially with gas prices the way they are today. And that is the Gas Buddy app. Gas Buddy shows you the lowest priced gas in your area. So see, our app had nothing to do, our app idea had nothing to do with gas, but it was gonna function very similarly to the way that Gas Buddy functioned. And having this app to show our designer, look, we want ours to flow similar to this, to show our developer, hey guys, this is what we're trying to accomplish with the functionality of our app. Here are some of the same features we want on our app except for crawfish. Y'all, even today, we've had our app now, our mobile app, for about 5 or 6 years in operation. I still check out Gas Buddy to see, what are some new advertisements that they're running, some new ad spaces. Have they done anything clever with advertising? Because that's a huge revenue generator for us. What new features have they added recently that maybe we could do something similar to the Crawfish app to make it even better and improve it to be as wildly successful as the Gas Buddy app is. So this is going to stick with you, this app, for the rest of your mobile app life, okay? This is huge. So number 1 and number 2, we're gonna make sure our app idea doesn't already exist. Once we can say with confidence, yay, this is a new idea, we're gonna move on and we're gonna find an app that has similar functionality. And then from there, you're gonna call me and we're gonna talk again, okay? But in the meantime, get to work. 3 action items for you. Got it? All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you here at the next video.